Geneva was a talented young artist living in a beautiful city. She loved to paint, and her apartment was full of colorful landscapes and portraits. However, lately, Geneva felt stuck. The city's routine made it hard for her to find new ideas. One evening, while cleaning her studio, Geneva found an old letter inside a book her grandmother had given her years ago. The letter read, "Dear Geneva, if you ever feel lost, visit the Enchanted Glade. There, you will find the inspiration you seek. Love, Grandma." Curious and eager for a change, Geneva packed her art supplies and set off for the Enchanted Glade, a place she had heard about in her grandmother's stories but had never visited. The glade was said to be magical, filled with enchanting creatures and ancient trees that seemed to whisper secrets. After a long journey, Geneva arrived at the edge of the Enchanted Glade. As she stepped inside, she felt calm. The air was cool and fresh, filled with the scent of pine and wildflowers. Birds sang sweetly, and a gentle breeze rustled the leaves, creating a soothing sound. Geneva wandered deeper into the glade, amazed by the beauty around her. She set up her easel near a sparkling stream and began to paint. The colors seemed brighter, and her brush moved easily across the canvas. She felt a burst of creativity she hadn't felt in months. As Geneva painted, she saw a light through the trees. Curious, she followed the light and found a small, hidden grove. In the center of the grove stood an ancient oak tree with a door carved into its trunk. Intrigued, Geneva knocked on the door. To her surprise, it opened, revealing a spiral staircase leading down. Excited and a bit scared, Geneva went down the stairs. At the bottom, she found a cozy underground room filled with books, maps, and strange objects. An elderly woman with kind eyes and a warm smile sat at a wooden table, surrounded by glowing candles. "Welcome, Geneva," the woman said. "I've been expecting you." "How do you know my name?" Geneva asked, amazed. "I am Elara, the guardian of the Enchanted Glade," the woman replied. "Your grandmother was a dear friend. She knew you would need guidance and sent you here." Geneva spent hours talking with Elara, who shared stories of the Glade's magic and its power to inspire and heal. Elara showed her enchanted paints that changed colors with the light, and brushes made from unicorn hair that never wore out. Before leaving, Elara gave Geneva a special sketchbook. "Use this sketchbook to capture the magic of the Enchanted Glade. It will help you find inspiration wherever you go." Geneva thanked Elara and returned to the grove, feeling refreshed. She spent the next few days exploring the glade, sketching everything she saw: the magical creatures, the glowing flowers, and the shimmering waterfalls. Each drawing seemed to come alive, capturing the glade's essence. When it was time to go back to the city, Geneva felt a bit sad, but also very happy. She had found the inspiration she needed. Back in her apartment, she continued to use the enchanted sketchbook, creating paintings that amazed everyone who saw them. Geneva's paintings became famous for their beauty and the sense of magic and wonder they showed. People from all over came to see her work, and she shared the story of the Enchanted Glade and the wisdom she had gained from Elara. Moral: Geneva learned that inspiration can be found in unexpected places. Sometimes, all it takes to rediscover creativity is to explore new and different experiences,